Yo, this is Mr. O, and today we're going to learn about ratios and proportion. I'm sure you've heard about ratios. Ratios are comparing two or more quantities, and proportion are comparing the two ratios. Okay, let's go ahead now. So, what is ratio? Ratio is a comparison of two or more quantities. There are several ways to represent a ratio. The most basic one that we all common is A divided by B. Just divide it, it's like a fraction. Or we can say A is to B or A to B. Ratios can be simplified. And I would like you to understand that we have to simplify it all the time. Okay, the simplest form. Okay, let's do this example here. A music store has 40 trumpets, 39 clarinets, 24 violins, 51 flutes, and 16 trombones in stock. Write each ratio in simplest form. Trumpets to violin. How many trumpets do we have? We have 40. So that will be 40. And we have how many violins? 24. So the ratio will be 40 is to 24. Now we have to simplify it. Both of them are divisible by 8. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 24 divided by 8 is 8, 16, 24, 3. 5 is to 3. Very simple, right? Next, number 2. There are 2 flutes, that will be 51, and clarinet, which is 39. Okay, what are this there? Do they have anything? Both of them are divisible by 3. So 51 divided by 3, I know is 17. And 39 divided by 3 is obviously 13. So the answer is 17 to 13. Comparison of 3 or more quantities. This is called the extended ratio. Extended ratio can be written as A is to B is to C. So this one here, you're comparing them multiples. Okay, for example, this one here is that the ratio of two complementary angles is 3 is to 7. Find the measures of both angles. So we know that there are two complementary angles. What is the complementary angles? When you add them, it's equal to 90. But you know the ratio is 3 is to 7. We just simply need to write here 3x plus 7x is equal to 90. Because whatever that angle, you multiply by 3 and 7 respectively, it will give you a ratio of 3 to 7. Okay? So 3x plus 7x will give us 10x plus 90. So we know the value of x there is 9. So for us to find the two quantities here, we're going to multiply 3 by 9 and 7 by 9. That will give us 27 and 63 degrees. So the angle there will be 27 is to 63. But the angle measurement are right here. Okay, let's do number 4 here. Number 6. The ratio of two supplementary angles is 4 is to 1. Find the measure of both angles. Same thing. What's the meaning of supplementary? It's a measurement of two angles when they're added is equal to 180. So this will be 4x plus 1x is equal to 180. 4x plus 1x is 5x is equal to 180. Divided by 5, x equal to, what's 180 divided by 5? 36. So therefore, the angles are 4 times 36 and 1 times 36. So we know these 36, and the other one will be 144 degrees. And those are the angles. What is proportion? If we know what's ratio is comparing two quantities, ratio is an equation, proportion is an equation that states two ratios happen to be equal. Proportion is written as A over B is equal to C over D. Ratio 1, ratio 2, set them equal to each other. And here we can call it cross multiply or cross product property, wherein we multiply A by D is equal to B, C. Okay? So let's apply it on this equation here. I have 4 over x equals 2 over 7. So I'm going to cross multiply here. 4 times 7 is equal to 28. 2 times x equal to 2x equals 28. Divided by 2, divided by 2. So therefore, x equal to 14. That means if x equals to 14 there, I can say that two ratios are going to be equal. For you to check that one, 4 over 14 is equal to 2 over 7. Agree? Because the lowest term of 4 and 14 will be 2 over 7 if you divide them both by 2. Next, 6 over x plus 16 is equal to 7 over 3x plus 3. Again, I'm going to multiply the 6 by 3x plus 3, applying the cross product property. 6 times 3x plus 3. And I'm going to multiply 7 by x plus 16. 7 times x plus 16. I'm going to distribute this one here. Distribute. This will be 18x plus 18. This will be 7x plus, what's 7 times 16? Let's multiply it. 7 times 16 is 112. I'm going to subtract 7x here. That will give me 11x here. And 112 minus 18 will give us 94. And divided by 11, that will give us 94 over 11. Or approximately 8.5. Easy, right?